Hello Jim, I'll give you a quick walk around with the brake setup on this E9. The brake pipes are still loose, so that's going to help us because they're not clamped down fully, so that I should be able to highlight which pipe goes where. So on this car, this is your front. There's two brake servos. You have this one here, and there's one down below there. It's hard to see, but that's the one you still have in place, I think. And then there's this other one here. So basically you have the two lines coming in from the brake master center on each servo. So that one there, and that one there. Then on the, let's say the leading, I won't say front or rear, it gets confusing. On the leading brake servo you have a junction, three-way T-junction. The dark blue pipe has been oversprayed. That's the rear. That's the pipe going to the rear brakes, feeding the rear brakes. In this case, it's for the rear calipers. Now, the other two, you have this one here that goes through to the other side, and I'll show you that in a moment. That goes to the front brake caliper on the driver's side, and then the bottom one here goes through to the passenger side front brake caliper. And it's the same setup for the trailing brake servo. One of them goes to one of the lines on there's only two-way junction on this one. See if I can see it there. One of the lines goes to I'll show you now. This line goes to the far side of the driver's front caliper, and the other line coming out of the same brake servo is this line here. Should have got a torch. This line here, and that goes through to the front passenger side brake caliper. What I'll do is, I'm not going to be bringing this out in the rain today. If you want more videos or photos, let me know. I'll take a photo of the with the torch, the wheel arches. Thanks, bye. Okay, this is the master cylinder, obviously on the drive side, the right hand side of the car. You'll excuse the lack of grommets here. As I said, this is sort of work in progress. But this system is a fully working system. So you've got the brake master cylinder, you've got the two feeds out to each the remote brake servos there and there. You also have these are the two pipes I was referring to here, which are coming from the one brake servo and the second brake servo on the passenger side. So if I'm going to shake this, the luxury of not having these clamped down is when I shake this, it'll give you an idea where it's going to on the other side. So there's that pipe there running across the bulkhead, and that's going to the junction on the leading brake servo. Okay, so that's the leading pipe going into through the wheel arch of the front driver side caliper, and this is the trailing pipe. Again, I won't say front or rear, this confuses things. So that's one. I'm moving that one backwards and forwards, and you'll see that on the other side of the car moving, and that's going to the trailing brake servo, where there's a two-way junction. Okay, and it's a mirror image for the passenger side front caliper, where you have the pipes. One pipe comes from the front brake servo, leading brake servo, and the other pipe comes from the trailing brake servo, and they go to the passenger side front brake caliper. The only pipe that goes to the rear is this pipe here, which obviously I haven't replaced, needs replacing, and that goes to the rear setup. Thanks.